So what you doing?
I'm going over Nancy's list and making my own. I don't know where Ray is or what he's done with the flowers, and Cam wasn't really doing anything, so.
Okay, well, what is this doing here?
It's a test.
Of?
See if I am who I really am.
Who else would you be?
Someone who drives people away. Can't control herself anymore. That thing with Cameron, I shouldn't have.
No, she deserved it.
No, she deserved to be told to shut up, but what I did, no one deserves that. What kind of mom am I gonna be if I treat my own kid like that?
Human. Fallible. I mean, we all do shit we regret.
I don't. Not anymore.
Okay, so you did. So what?
When I got pregnant, I knew that if I lost my job, went through my savings, Dad and Nancy would be there to help me out. That I wouldn't have to worry about feeding this child. Because Lord knows my mother's completely useless in that department. But now, now I don't know what to do. How? How? Cam gone and the money locked up? You don't even make enough money to take care of yourself,
Okay,
Miguel.
I need you to do something.
No,
okay?
no, I don't have time
Just
for
10
this.
seconds. Just 10 seconds, okay? I need you just take a deep breath, okay? Okay. Just in. Okay, hold it for a second. Out. Okay. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. In. Out. Open your eyes. How do you feel?
Thanks.
What can I do?
It's okay, I can do it on my own.
No, you don't have to do it by yourself.
Do you really want to help?
They're my parents too.
Okay. Can you proof the funeral booklet and call the flower shop, because Ray's taste is very questionable. I don't even know what he's picked out. And,
Jan, just one thing at a time, okay? We got this. Just breathe,
okay.
okay? We got this.
Okay. Do this one first, though.
Okay.
Okay.
We got it.
You took your graduation pictures early?
Shut up. I was like 7 right there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this is when I was.
Lisa,
What?
Ray is destroying the kitchen at the restaurant. Can you please deal with it?
Why me?
Because he sure as hell won't listen to me. Thank you.
Fine.
Fucking disappointed. You always disappoint. Get off my back, man. I went to fix the mistake that I had made, but I couldn't do it because Jeremiah interrupted me.
Okay, but why do you do shit like putting weed in the pie? It just screws up everything that you do good.
I was just trying to make everybody feel good.
So you thought getting Uncle Abraham and Aunt Marie high was gonna do that?
No, it wasn't enough to get them high, just a little buzzed.
Mom's not around anymore to pick you up when you fall flat on your face. You need to grow the fuck up.
I am. I made new
Okay,
pies.
but how is everybody supposed to see the good that you do when you're constantly making them give you a do-over?
You know you sound like Janessa and them, right?
Ray.
I thought you was on my side.
Ray, it's not about sides, okay? It's about what are you gonna do now that mom and dad are gone. If you wanna run Elijah's, then you need to show everyone that you're capable of it. If not, they're gonna go with Jeremiah's offer. And do you want that? Do you?
You know I don't want that.
Okay, then you need to convince them. And me.
Whatever.
All right? Ray. You can do it.
Yeah, whatever.
No, I mean it.
Okay.